I got the traffic, 20 Lima.
Beach approach on 125.2.
I got the traffic for 20 Lima. Let's get a quick pick.
Miami approach 646, 3000.
46 Miami approach, Opalock 8 Alpha, expect vectors ILS 27 right.
Set ILS 27 right, 346.
20 Lima, additional traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, 2,200 indicated, type unknown.
Looking for that traffic, 20 Lima.
34 Yankee, turn right heading 020, direct to Bobo when you're able.
020, then direct Bobo, 34 Yankee, and I assume that's Bravo, Oscar, Bravo, Oscar.
Yeah, do you have it on your flight plan or no?
Negative, I have Valka as my next fix.
I'm sorry, I missed it. Yeah, if it's on your flight plan, yes, B-O-B-O-E.
B-O-B-O-E, next fix, 34 Yankee.
If that's on your flight plan.
Negative, Valka is on my flight plan.
Okay, if you don't have it, then 34 Yankee, heading, just fly heading 020.
020, 34 Yankee.
0 Papa Sierra, descend and maintain 2,000, fly heading 120.
10 miles.
2,000, 120,
and 5 minutes.
Papa Sierra.
20 Lima, that traffic now 11 o'clock, a mile opposite direction. 2,200 indicated, they should pass on your left if they don't change course.
Roger that, we're still looking. Oh, I got the traffic, 20 Lima.
34 Yankee, just check in with your heading, contact Palm Beach approach 125.2, thanks.
125.52, 34 Yankee.
125.2.
25.2 for 34 Yankee.
Hit 46, flighting 180, vectors Opalaka.
Hi, heading Y0, 346.
Arch Tacoma 66, 2,000, 270 heading.
Tacoma 66, Miami departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Tacoma 66.
So, 27. Visual for
Road
27.
7320 Golf.
723, Sierra Golf, Miami.
We're done with our flight plan at 3,500. We need to get down at 2,000 and something.
7320 Golf, say again, down to 2 and to where?
Same area, but down to 2,000 now.
20 Golf, approved as requested.
Thanks, Rose, Pressure 0 Golf.
0 Papa Sierra, flighting 180, speed 170 or less.
180, 170 or less. 0 Papa Sierra.
Tacoma 66, turn right heading 280, contact departure 126.05.
2605, 280 heading Tacoma 66 here.
For 20 Lima, contact exec tower 120.9, good day.
120.9, have a good day, 20 Lima. Executive Tower, November 5520 Lima. We're 7 miles to the north with uniform. Full stop.
Lima Executive Tower, join a midfield right downwind, runway 27, descend to 1,000.
Midfield right downwind for runway 27, 20 Lima.
Track 372 Echo, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles is a Cessna 152 at 1,000, southeast bound for the midfield right downwind at 27. Continue your climb.
Continue your climb, looking for traffic, 70 Echo.
Pretty hazy, man. Dang.
Residential 57, contact Miami departure 119.7, good day.
27.
Over departure, good day.
I'm going to use a little bit of my IFR training for this, man. Three minutes,
20 Lima
5.7.
traffic, 1 o'clock, 3 miles, 1,200 northwest bound to Skyhawk climbing.
Got the traffic in sight, 20 Lima.
Jericho, police call traffic is now 1 o'clock, 2 miles, Cessna 152, 1100 southeast bound. They have you in sight, continue your climb.
Alright, continue your climb, 70 Echo.
I got him. I got both of them. Eyes like a bird, man. I got you.
37 Echo, please change crew, safe flight.
Change crew, thank you, 70 Echo.
Okay, let's slow it up.
Papa Sierra is inbound
Right
on the
here,
after
A1 is doing
90 Papa Sierra, executive
mid-veer
tower,
right
27,
downwind.
continue trap, holding position.
Continue 900 Papa Sierra.
Tower 1480 kilo.
So Beach 1480 Kilo, Executive Tower, good afternoon. Make a straight in runway 27, traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles, 800 southbound. Type unknown, not talking to him.
So,
Roger, looking
landing
80
lights
kilo,
on,
straight
beacon
in
on,
27.
80 Kilo, verify you have information uniform.
Affirmative.
extra rich. We're at about 90 knots on the downwind.
A 145 Charlie Golf Tower, you ready to go? 145 Charlie Golf, Executive Tower.
Okay. Let's do this. It's gusting like 20.
A 145 Charlie Golf, Executive Tower.
This is 145 Charlie Golf, holding short 1127.
Alright, 5 Charlie Golf, I got your release. Traffic citation, 4 mile final. Fly heading 270, maintain 2000, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Heading 270, climb and maintain 2000, clear for takeoff, runway 27 for 145 Charlie Golf.
20 Lima, extend downwind, I'll call you base.
Extending it down when you call the base, 20 Lima.
0 Papa Sierra traffic going now, the citation, runway 27, clear to land.
Let's slow it
Traffic right down,
down.
extending to follow,
We
use
have a
the
lot of
Cessna
buildings
152 at 1000.
And
Wind 2801.
water.
Alright, clear to land, 900 Papa
We
Sierra.
got
0 Papa Sierra,
Fort
clear to land, runway
Lauderdale.
27, verify.
Fort Lauderdale Beach right down there, straight ahead.
900 Papa Sierra, runway 27, clear to land.
Thank you. The 1480 Kilo, previously called traffic, no factor, continue inbound for runway 27.
80 kilo.
Put in 1 notch of flaps.
Number 20 Lima, advise me a citation 1300 at the shoreline in sight.
We're looking for the citation, 20 Lima. I don't got him. Man. Where's the citation?
5 Charlie Golf, contact Mama departure 119.7,
Oh,
good day.
I got him.
Going
Okay, shoreline.
departure, 145 Charlie Golf.
I got the citation, 20 Lima.
I'm going to follow the citation, caution wake turbulence, runway 27, clear to land, number 2, wind 280 at 22.
Clear to land, 27, number 2, 20 Lima. I got him off our right wing right there. After him, we'll turn, make a turn.
20 Lima, start the base turn now.
We're in the turn now, 20 Lima.
80 Kilo, you're following traffic on a 2.5 mile right base indicating 90 knots. Start reducing your speed.
Reducing 80 kilo.
Gonna use our rudders right here. Stick and rudder skills. We're on a base. Man, they got a lot of birds out here. We got our needle coming in. Runway 27. Caution wake turbulence and it's gusting. Man.
Range
Oh.
0 Kilo, runway 27, clear to land, number 3, traffic 2 mile final, Cessna
pressure.
152 indicating 60 knots.
Clear to land, number 2, 80 kilo.
20 Lima, keep your speed up to the numbers, please.
Speed up to the numbers, 20 Lima. Okay. Our needle is centered. We're feeling some weight and it's gusting.
And exec November 59982
Man, you want us to
to the
keep up
northwest
our
with
speed.
uniform.
So,
59982, executive tower, midfield, right down to
Harvey,
27, extend a call you
landing
base.
lights.
Field right down for 27, you call the base 982.
Man,
0 Pop Sierra, left on 13 for me. And, or if you can't make it, Bravo's fine.
We'll make it Bravo. 9 Pop Sierra just a little late there.
Yeah, I got it. I got traffic short fun if you can expedite that for me.
We'll hurry on Bravo.
Wind 280 at 19, gust 22.
man.
And November 982, you do have ATIS uniform?
I got uniform 982.
Thank you, sir.
Over to ground for 9 Pop Sierra.
9 Pop Sierra, affirmative ground is 121.75. Good day, guys.
Okay.
20 Lima, make a left or right at November. Pass the hold sorts, contact ground.
Left on November, past the whole short and over the ground, 20 Lima. Not bad for that type of conditions. 2175.
Executive jets.
Let's clean it up.
November 900 Papa Sierra, executive ground. Taxi via Bravo, Echo, Golf, Charlie. Cross from